Hey guys, Jack Scalfani here, and I gotta tell you, Black Friday is coming right around the corner. It's going to be a big day on this show. We're gonna do giveaways, we're gonna do a YouTube premiere, and we're gonna put all of our sauces on sale. So be looking for it. We're gonna have giveaways galore. As you saw in the last Ninja Foodi video, this was the winner compared to the Instant Pot. So today we're doing something that one of the viewers asked if I could do, mozzarella sticks. So I went out and bought frozen mozzarella sticks. So come on in close and I'll show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna make this an air fryer. That's all we're using this for right now. When you buy the Ninja Foodi, with it comes a basket for air frying. We have some frozen mozzarella sticks that we're putting in. That's a whole box of mozzarella sticks. We're gonna put the air fryer lid down and we're gonna cook this at 375, 6 to 9 minutes, depending on how crispy you want it. I'm gonna go in here really quick and make sure everything's spread around. There we go, that's better. We literally just closed this a few minutes ago. This thing cooks so fast. So let's open it up and take a see. You're supposed to let the sticks rest for a minute because they're hot, so be careful. I can feel they're crispy. It's as easy as that. I feel guilty. I dirtied this whole thing just for a real quick cook, so we're gonna cook some more stuff in this. We're gonna do some jalapeno poppers and some other appetizers. So if you're going to use this for appetizers and you're gonna dirty it up, just line them up. Make sure you have a lot ready, okay? All right, let's give this mozzarella stick a try. All right, it is crispy. You hear it? And I got a package that came with marinara sauce, so I'm all lined up for today. Ready to go watch some Tennessee football. One of the things I noticed is when I opened it, none of them were busted open and the cheese running out, like normally in the oven does, or other air fryers that I've used breaks open the cheese. So let me know how you guys use your Ninja Foodi, if you love it, and if you've done cheese sticks in it. These things are crispy and delicious and warm and gooey, and I will see you in the next episode. I love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.